Hi everyone, welcome to my Optimum Health God's Way YouTube channel. Today we are going to look at amazing health benefits of proper rest. Here again, I wish I could bottle it up or put it into capsules to help as many people with their health problems. Do you know the effective, the cheapest, the most overlooked method to boost your immune system and to combat stress is proper rest or proper sleep? In this fast-paced society, it's easy to forget, forego, or neglect sleep, even though it's very, very important for our health. Many people worldwide suffer from sleep deprivation. That means not enough sleep. Some of them for their survival, some of them to gain more money, to get richer, some of them to have more entertainment, amusements, and fun, like playing games on TV, computer, or social media, cell phone, and all, and party. Some people stay up late or work nights or don't sleep during healing hours. They tend to develop cancer like breast cancer, prostate cancer, more than others. So it is trying to tell us how important sleep is for our health. Almost all of us, or most of us, are guilty of trying to squeeze in or crowd more activities and entertainments into the day and night than can be accomplished. It is disastrous to turn nights into day. By doing so, we decrease or lessen our immunity, the ability to fight against or withstand diseases. And by doing so, we pay the price. It negatively affects our mental and physical health and our lives too. We feel burnt out, tired, low energy, less productive, more accidents at work or on the road, and we are even addicted to sleeping pill or melatonin every time we try to go to sleep. It is important to remember that sleep is very important for every cell and almost every tissue in the body, like blood vessels, heart, and brain. Now let's look at the health benefits of proper rest. Number one, detoxifies the brain through lymphatic system, that is our plumbing system in the brain. So it helps improve brain functions like memory, help us think more clearly, more focused, and quicker reflexes. Number two, reduced risk of chronic diseases like heart, high blood pressure, stroke, diabetes, dementia, Alzheimer's, and obesity. Number three, better mood, because sleep regulates emotions, behaviors, dispositions. So when we have enough sleep, we are in better mood and helps improve social interactions. Number four, improved immune system, so helps fight against diseases or sicknesses. Number five, helps maintain healthy weight. Number six, increased circulation. So when our blood flow is good, oxygen and nutrients are being distributed and transported effectively, and waste are being removed efficiently. Number seven, improved metabolism, lead to weight loss, more energy, reduce chronic diseases, help us focus more clearly. Number eight, helps boost creativity, productivity, decision making, problem solving, concentration, and performance. Number nine, helps support healthy growth and development in children and teens. Number 10, while we are sleeping, our body releases many hormones to help reduce inflammation or to help with growth, regeneration, repairing, healing, rebuilding of cells, muscles, tissues, and bones. Now let's look at research findings on proper rest. Research consistently shows that not getting enough sleep have a multitude of negative effects on both physical and mental health, including number one, weakened brain function, trouble concentrating, can't recall memory, takes longer or slower to process things, poor decision making, trouble problem solving, and less creativity. Number 2, mental health impacts. Increased depression, anxiety, mood swing, irritability, and more sensitive to a lot of things. Number 3, physical health concerns like metabolic issues like less tolerance to glucose. So it causes type 2 diabetes or cardiovascular risk like high blood pressure, heart disease, stroke, and weakened immune system like more susceptible to colds, allergies, and weight gain. Due to disrupted appetite hormones, we tend to eat more. Other effects like increased accidents on the road due to poor motor skills or less reaction time, less tolerance to pain, or poor learning and memory issues like difficulty obtaining and retaining new information, or poor work performance and productivity. Now let's look at motivational research on proper rest or sleep. Research highlights that enough sleep significantly boosts cognitive function, improves mood, enhances productivity, and reduces stress levels, making one feel motivated and capable of underlying daily challenges and ready to perform well. Whereas sleep deprivation leads to decreased motivation, poor decision making, more irritability, and making harder to reach or achieve goals. Key points from research. When we have enough sleep or adequate sleep. Number 1, brain function better, like better memory, learning, problem solving, motivation to achieve goals. Number 2, better emotional control. So less frustration, anger, more strength of character that impacts motivational levels. Number 3, more energy levels, more sustained, lasting energy throughout the day to focus, engage, and complete tasks, like when the battery is charged. Number 4, better performance at school, work, home, athletic activity that lead to increased motivation to continue striving or trying to sense of accomplishment. Number 5, physical health. When you get enough sleep, you have decreased risk of chronic diseases like obesity, diabetes, cardiovascular, later affecting energy levels, then motivation. So let's look at how these research helps motivate others, or we can use these motivation research to motivate others. Number 1, focus on positive outcomes. Emphasize to others the importance of prioritizing sleep to improve focus, creativity, better decision making, and positive attitude or perspective. Number 2, encourage them to set personal goals, precise sleep goals like the time to go to sleep, the hours, 7 or 8 or 9 hours of sleep every day, and to develop bedtime routine and to check their progress, motivate them, and encourage them to look for noticeable positive results. Number 3, emphasize or highlight that sleep is very important for coping with stress and help control emotions and to improve coping skills or mechanism. Number 4, social support. Encourage friends or family to support each other, developing healthy sleep habits. Number 5, spiritual support. Help pray for one another for divine help to make it a new routine or lifestyle. To sleep at a regular set time and to get quality and quantity of sleep for spiritual, mental, physical, social, emotional, financial welfare. Now let's look at some advice on sleep. Number 1, sleep early to improve glucose control. Do you know that 1 hour of sleep before midnight is twice as beneficial 1 hour after midnight? That means 1 hour of sleep before midnight is equal to 2 hours of energy if you were to sleep after midnight. And sleeping during healing hours is very beneficial and crucial for our body to rebuild, repair, revitalize too. And drinking enough water during the day helps to sleep better at night. And sleeping at a regular set time is very, very important because the body functions best on rhythm and regularity. And get enough quality sleep and quantity sleep. Try to sleep during healing hours like from 9 p.m. to 3 a.m. and make sure no light and no noise in the room. That's when you gain more energy and quantity of sleep. That means 7 or 8 or 9 hours of sleep a night for your body to revitalize, regenerate, and rebuild, repair. Number 5, avoid possible stimulation. Problem solving, caffeine, TV, cell phones, computer, especially blue lights, limited, especially 1 or 2 hours before sleep. No more blue light from those gadgets. Avoid loud noise and heavy and late night meal for better sleep. Number 6, warm tub soaks with slow deep breathing exercise is very, very beneficial for you to sleep sound and deep. Enough morning sunshine and regular exercise helps you sleep better at night. Take distracting items like exercise equipment, computer, TV, cell phones, ironing board out of the bedroom. And let your last thought before you go to sleep and the very first thought as soon as you wake up be of the wonderful sustainer and creator God. Friends, spiritually too, we need proper rest. 1 Peter 5:7, cast all your cares upon him, for he cares for you. So it's important to cast all our cares, worries, fear, stress, anxiety upon God so that we can rest. In Psalms 55:22, cast your burden on the Lord. He will sustain you. Yes, in order to properly rest with no stress, we can cast all our burdens on him. In Isaiah 26:3, if we keep our mind on God and trust in him, he will give us perfect peace. Don't you think that's the best kind of proper rest? Even weekly Sabbath rest, like Exodus 28:11, God says, remember the Sabbath day to keep it holy. 6 days you can work, and 7th day you rest, because God himself rests and blesses and hallows the Sabbath or the 7th day. In Genesis 2:2-3, on the 7th day after creation, God ended his work and rested on the 7th day. So here we can see he blessed, sanctified, and rested on the 7th day. Friends, I would like to leave you with 3 John 2. Beloved, I wish above all things that you may prosper and be in health as your soul prospers. Bye for now until my next video. Amazing health benefits of water. God bless.